going on, everyone? Turio here. Here we are playing SharkBite with G.I. Joe.
Hello.
Hi.
This person, I don't know him. Anyway, I am totally a normal, average person with sharks. We're playing SharkBite. Yeah, we're playing SharkBite, guys. And I'm shark.
Stop putting bait on
And
the
I know
boat.
which boat James is in.
There he comes with his Rudolph nose and everything.
Yes, that is me. I am Rudolph Shark. And I know exactly where people are, because they're overboard. I'm going to the ship that has the most shark bite. Hey! You! I know who you are.
I'm gonna pit maneuver this guy.
Ah!
Hi, James.
If I'm going down, she's going down with me. This random pirate boat. This poor No.
I'm guessing Michael's on the ship, isn't he? Oh, Michael, how do you... Michael, get over here!
Dead men don't tell.
Ah!
Wait, it didn't kill him.
Yeah, no, I actually lost him.
Don't come back. I've lost both of my legs.
Where are you, except your face?
Die.
Why are you eating a popsicle?
I don't know.
Die! Enough with you.
Cole, did you make sure to hit the record button this time?
Yes, it's actually recorded. Now be quiet before I destroy the game.
I had to get that in the video. I had to get that in the video because that's funny.
Hi there. Thanks. Oh, this person. This is why you never help anybody.
Hi, Linda.
Alright, I think that's everyone.
Now, narrate everything told us.
No, don't. The viewers can see.
Oh, you want to shoot me, huh?
Fourth narrator.
No, you're not.
Rip.
How many people are left? 4 people? Are they all in the same boat?
No, you're not.
He's going for the mini yacht.
Ooh. You just missed somebody. But I'm not telling you where.
It's fine.
You're dead.
Target acquired.
You just trying to...
Also, Michael, that is called a fishing boat.
You just
Call it a fishing boat, not a yacht.
whoever owned that.
I see where the 2 next people are. There's somebody in the same boat, and then the 3rd person.
You can go for only us.
You know, it would have been funny to only target you guys and leave everyone else alive.
Hey.
That'd be funny, especially how I need the shark teeth.
The last survivors. Oh god, I'm stuck!
I don't send me a friend request.
The last 2.
You can murder everybody in this server.
Oh, James, it's the pirate boat that you attacked.
Yeah, I tried pit maneuvering it like I was like a police car or something. I was like, if I'm going down, it's going back with me.
Alright, this guy's off. I'm eating him first. Oh, ooh, oh, Mark. Oh, Mark. Boom. That's how it's done. Shark 1, everybody else 0. Oh, God.
Well, it's like for me to play.
Alright, so Michael's probably going to be the shark next because, you know, reasons. I'm going to check something real quick before we continue the video.
What happened?
One.
Hey,
What's going on, everyone? One. What's going on, everyone?
Wait,
One.
did they get
What's
over
going on,
already?
everyone? Turn me out here. One. What's going on?
Oh,
What's going on, everyone? Turn me out here.
did they get over already?
One. No, it's What's going on, everyone? Turn me out here.
Then why are you rewatching it?
I'm not. It was just something stupid. Anyway, James, join my boat.
huh?
James, you ready?
Yes.
Let's just invite everyone. Let's invite everyone. Will other people join? Find out next time.
I do it
There's a shark
earlier.
over there. Oh god, I need to drive.
I will eat you all.
You don't even know what
Those
we
are
are.
boring.
Oh god, it's already breaking! What do you have a birthday hat? What's wrong with you?
I'm gonna eat some yummy shark bait.
Oh,
I don't know
no.
why
Oh, no.
some on the
Oh, no.
boat.
No. James! Stop!
What? I just tried to eat my shark bait and I spilled some on the boat.
James!
Goodbye, rubber ducky.
You should just sit here. You'll never die.
Goodbye.
James, I swear.
Go where I put down more duckies. Oh no.
We can't because you're dumped. Oh god, there he is. There he is. There he is. Just. Yes! Now we can let the craziness begin!
Go, go, go!
I can't! Oh god! Yes!
What are you doing?
I'm trying to live! Michael, go after someone else!
Well,
I'll give James as a sacrifice.
I got an idea. I'll shark bait so they go after the shark bait thing. Someone went out of the boat.
Michael's
And run
really
away.
on the call, you idiot.
Oh, Michael's the shark?
How did you not notice that? He's been targeting us for like 5 minutes straight. He's been targeting and failing us.
You turned that off. Michael didn't notice.
Oh my god! No, wait, hold on, Michael, let us live.
Jump off, so he tried. Here, I'll.
Wait.
Oh my god, James just literally
You-
jumped on James. What are you doing?
I'm not doing it. Well, like, I don't know. I figured that he wouldn't notice.
He obviously knows. Oh god, go, 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 go.
Karma, that's what karma.
I can't
What?
believe Michael killed me. Come on, Michael. I don't even forget I'm still alive.
You're talking about no one killed you. Did I? Son of a bitch.
Michael, you have 100 seconds to find everyone else in the game. So who's the real winner, you or me? How? How? James, are you seeing this? How? Michael just destroyed a boat, and he's missing somebody literally sitting in their seat. Alright, so James, Michael just failed to kill someone, by the way. Let's just point that fact out. So, Michael, how does it feel to fail to kill someone
Shut up.
after targeting someone else?
Because I murdered. Absolutely murdered.
It's not my fault. Yeah, Michael, you absolutely murdered us because you were just targeting us. That's not absolutely murder.
Look, you can't even get this person.
You can't even get that person!
After like 10 minutes.
Yeah, and James, remember that one person? Remember that duck boat he took off earlier? There's still a person there. That he just... Alright, so Michael lost. Can Michael kill this person in the duck boat? No, he cannot. Oh my god, this is hilarious. They're still there, and they're still alive!
Ow. Oh. Not anymore.
Not anymore, but it doesn't matter. I wonder if we'll ever get a second video. That was hilarious. Alright, so James, do you want to know what I found out?
What?
We are going to need to also use the boat. We're going to have to use this boat millions of times.
Stupid big bucket away!
Oh my god, James, is that some fellow food? Give me the food. Give me the food!
Nom 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 nom.
Nom nom nom. Just look at the carnage out here.
How like
Who's it gonna be? Alright, so I'm not gonna invite Michael since he targeted us. He doesn't get to enjoy it.
Right.
Michael, eat the boat. You're not supposed to enjoy this.
who the heck is
There was someone with us earlier when you were targeting us. Imagine we got everyone on this one train. Oh my god, there's 5 people!
I'm saving to get the pirate ship.
Alright, everybody get in!
What was this?
James! Stop placing duck boats!
That was an accident.
No, it wasn't.
Party hat shark just now don't freak out this time and get us all killed.
Alright, well here's the thing. I purposely let you eat our back so that chaos would ensue.
I meant to throw it on the side.
James. Really?
Well, now there's duck boats stuck in our engine.
Why?
Blame James. Alright, finally, that duck boat's out of here.
Hey, look, the news ready to be dead.
You can do it.
Alright, let's go. James, I swear. I will take us to the shark right now, young lady. Shark, we have a sacrifice.
Can we just kill him?
I mean, we could kill him. I wanted to eat the back. James, you might want to sit back down again. Oh, I can't turn. I can't turn. Hold on, this is bad. This is bad. This is bad. Alright, yes!
Hi, James.
I'm gonna kill it, you sleep.
I'll kill you. Oh god, we're going back to the shark. Let's try to go. Let's try to leave.
No, you killed me! Dang it!
Oh, go away. Go away! Go away, you ugly thing.
Get someone killed.
I didn't get someone killed. I got multiple someone's killed. Everything's fine now, though. Oh, carry on James's dream of killing the shark.
I could have killed it if you did not do whatever you just did there.
Yes!
Put me in front of the shark, and now I get no shark points or whatever.
If you guys think that's sad, hit that like button.
Insert copyright-free sad music here.
Did it. Alright, so that was really stupid. I think I've learned that if you want something dumb to happen, be on the shark or the train.
Right into the shark.
What?
No, I hit into James, who hit us into the shark, and I lived. Oh,
No.
I'm definitely being the train for this one. Who wants to join me?
Oh,
Watch it be like me, be the shark or somebody. Alright.
Alright, do we want to survive or do we want to have funny moments? Obviously funny moments.
Both. Survive and have funny both.
Alright, so James, don't get out of your seat this time or else bad times will happen.
Well, you could be still, I could have killed it.
Not on me, of course. I won't have a bad time. You'll have a bad time.
Oh god. Oh god, fans intensify.
you better let me kill.
Alright, everyone sit. James, take that tugboat off right now. Oh, God.
James? What is wrong with you?
Well, now we're having 3 sharks right off the bat because of someone.
Drive!
I can't because there's bait!
No.
James literally canoed us sideways with that move.
I'm not driving.
You know what? It's fine. It's
Everything
fine.
is fine. This is fine. Everything's fine, Cole. We just gotta wait for the bait to despawn, and then we'll be fine.
Alright, let's go! Let's go, let's go!
I think that... Oh god, I died.
What? What?
Michael, Michael, what's happening? Michael! Michael, we just stay here and nothing happened.
It broke my gun, so I can't shoot anymore.
Oh wait, you're still alive? Michael, we just sit here and live and win the game.
Yeah, look, I can't shoot it because my gun top is
So,
broken.
Michael, how's your day?
Where are you guys, by the way?
I'm not saying it. You'll have to watch the. You'll have to watch the video. I'm not saying this is too good.
Okay, so look at my gun. My gun had the gun part where it's just a motor. It's literally just.
Oh my
motor.
god, I see you over there.
My gun.
I like how there's a. Oh, bye, James.
I want to go attention.
Oh no,
My God.
Michael.
No!
No!
Oh, I'm a shark. That's right.
Yeah, it's infection. Alright, I know where this. Alright, I'm going for this boat all the way. I'm going for the duck boat!
Time to eat some little children on the internet!
What? That sounds weird, Michael.
Michael is. Come here! Come here! Ow!
Oh,
Did I just ram into you, James?
yes.
I know someone's over on the wreckage.
Insert copyright.
James, stop. I know someone's over here. Where are you? Where are these people? There's like someone over here that's like bringing off the blood no sensor.
Are they under the map or something?
Well, no, because there's blood scent going off the old parts. Oh, I see them.
Where are they?
They're on a boat all the way over there.
Yeah.
I'm at the bottom of the ocean.
I think one of them might be glitching, maybe.
Well, I see. No, I see them.
Left.
Michael, stop. They're on the sleigh.
Both of them? There's two.
One of them. I think. I don't know. No,
The
there
other
might
one
be
might
two.
be glitching.
Walk him off.
No, both are on. Both are on. One's dead already.
Alright, I don't know where the other one is. Alright, good job, James. We got him!
Kill.
Sharks win! Alright, guys. That's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed whatever the heck happened. If you guys want more SharkBite, hit that like button. And see you next time.